carefully in such a way that parental involvement is required. So you need to sit with your children and read it for the first time. Then you can give it to them. Okay? I think I will call upon Sundarana and Ahalyaka to release the book. They are senior devotees of the temple. Names. Here. Sneha. A little girl called Sneha. Who is this? Come. Shriya. Who is Shriya? Okay, come. Veer Kashma. You have to read it, okay? Vibhishan. This is our Vibhishan. Okay. All right. Get together with your friends and read it, okay? All right. Who else? There are only 3 names. For slightly bigger children, you can keep it and read it. Sri Ganesh was talking to you about the granite temple. This granite temple, to the best of my knowledge, mostly south of Belgaum in India, granite is the chosen material for building a temple. If you go up north from Belgaum, they use soapstone and they use marble. And these days, even in the south, because it is such a hard material to work with, they choose to build it with concrete. The energy absorption of the mantras is not there in the concrete structures. It will be there temporarily and it will quickly give up the little pieces that you find of stone that are there in the concrete will hold the energy, but it will release it quickly. If it is granite, and if it is properly built in the exact proportions laid down in the Shastras, it will keep the energy for 1,000 years. This is why, from where I come, in the dry zone jungles in Sri Lanka, from Trincomalee to Kadirkamam, Ravana is supposed to have established 1,008 Shivalingams, Shiva temples. And like I was telling you yesterday, ever since independence, a systematic dismantlement of Tamil and Dravidian culture is occurring in Sri Lanka, aided by chauvinistic politicians. When I was an architecture student in the University of Sri Lanka, I have toured the island on a bicycle. I have spent about a month cycling everywhere, every nook and cranny of the country. And at that time, this tension, ethnic tension, was not out in the open. And with the help of Buddhist priests in remote Buddhist temples, I have explored and I discovered 18 of these Shivalingams. The official count is only 5. In the official records, they say Shivalinga, Shiva temple number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. Most of them have perished. In some cases, in the dry zone jungle, only the Shivalingam remains. The buildings have long since disappeared. However, in the Shivalingam or Shiva temple number 1, which is situated in the district of Polannarva, if Ravana built it, you can tell how old this structure would be. When you go inside, you still feel the energy. Nobody has done puja to this. Nobody has done puja to the Shivalingams ever since it. But even to this day, if you go inside, you will feel the energy because of the material that they have used. And at one time, they used to use, when they brought granite, some technique that is still not known to the modern construction engineers. Granite is polished to mirror consistency. That is, it will be polished exactly like a mirror would be polished. And you bring the two stones together, it will stick and you cannot separate it after that. This used to be the technique that they used, and up to this day, no one knows how they did it. And of course, when you build a granite temple, it is preferable that you do not use steel. If you use steel, some of the characteristic and the transmission of the energy throughout the temple can be interrupted. Unfortunately, the location that we have chosen for the temple is Rochester, New York. And the state of New York lies smack in the middle of a fault line. And the state of New York will not let you build anything without using steel for safety reasons. So we have had to compromise. So steel will be used, but we do not know to what extent we can get away with it. A simple example, if I give you, in any Shiva temple or any temple, the idol or the Shivalingam in the sanctum, the size, the height, the width is the one that will determine every proportion that you use in the temple, including the height of steps. And this Devi here, if you calculate exactly the size that she is, she requires a 9-foot cube in the sanctum. And if the 9-foot cube is there, imagine a cube, and the opposite corners of the cube are connected. Opposite corners of the cube are connected. It will pass through a point. And that point has to pass through the Devi's heart. If that is achieved, any mantra that you chant inside that chamber will be absorbed and multiplied millions of times. But it has to be precisely done. We don't know whether we can achieve that because of the complex nature of this temple. The pillars, 28 in number, each pillar will be at least 15 to 16 feet tall and has to be carefully sculpted. How do I explain this? Okay, if you go to a flea market, you can buy jewelry, right? Or you can go to a specialized jewelry place like Tanishq or G.R. Thangamalikai or Lalita Jewelers or Natella or Joya Lucas and order a piece. Will it have the same workmanship as the one that you buy in a flea market? No. Every piece is a work of art. It will be so carefully built and everyone will be very accurate. It's exactly that way. You can build a building and then you can sculpt a building. If it is precisely done, we can achieve what we have set out to do. The complex nature of it is that the workers that are capable of sculpting a temple or a pillar of a temple are present only in Tamil Nadu. I have studied all the 26 states in India. If you want a granite temple built, it's one temple town, place called Swami Malai and Kumbakonam. That place is where the sculptors are. 35, 36 generations of sculptors. They have been doing just this for 35 generations. And they have mastered the art. They have raised it to become an art form. And they are not cheap. You have to give them time. They will make it. And then you will achieve something like, every pillar will be like a piece of jewelry. So carefully and precisely sculpted. That is my vision. And we hope to keep this. Now, the complication is that it has the quarry where the stone came from for the original murti that is there inside the sanctum is 350 kilometers away from Chennai. So it has to be, the stones have to be taken from there, quarried from there, and the pillars sculpted from there, transported 300 kilometers by truck to Chennai, and it has to be stored before customs and insurance formalities can be completed, and then shipped to New York, and then from New York to Rochester they have to be sculpted, and then they have to be assembled here. So the temple will be essentially built in India and assembled here. You can imagine what kind of difficulty we will have in trying to achieve precision in the volume of the temple inside. But we will try. At least if we can get the sanctum built in that 9-foot cube, we would have achieved something. There will be subsidiary ones. How many of you are from Sri Lanka originally? Show of hands. Okay. There are 51 Shakti Pitams in India. The original count is 51. When Sati destroyed herself after her father refused to recognize Parameshwaran, she was born as Dakshayani at that time. And Shiva, in his anguish of having lost the beloved wife, carried her on his shoulders and was roaming around the universe, uncontrolled. Nobody could control him. Then the story goes that the Devas approached Mahavishnu, and he used his disc to cut the body into 51 pieces. This is the legend. And each piece fell at a different location. For example, Kanchipuram, Udyanapidam, that's where it fell. Udyanam is waist, the ornament that you wear on the waist. One of them fell in Sri Lanka. Do you know where it is? One of the Shakti Pitams is in Sri Lanka. You were born there. You should know. Nagadipam. Nainadevi temple is the Shakti Pitam. And the deity there is Manonmani. So, we decided that we will have a Manonmani Pitam in our temple with Padukas, so the devotees who come here can worship. And then the people who are here will get to tell them the story of the 51 Pitams, and they'll have the benefit of having been able to worship. 3 of them are inside West Pakistan. 1 is in Bangladesh. And they're scattered all over India, from Kamakya all the way down to Kanyakumari and beyond. The only Peetham that is outside of India at the moment that is accessible is this Manonmani Peetham in northern Jaffna. It's in a little island, and it is reputed to have what is called an Akshaya Patram. What is an Akshaya Patram? If it produces, if there is food in it, you start serving, even if 1,000 people or 10,000 people are there, it will not stop producing food. And this Patram is reputed to be in this temple. And somehow the Buddhists have joined this legend. And they think that Lord Buddha's throne is buried inside that temple. Therefore, although during the riots and the ethnic cleansing that took place in Sri Lanka, for some reason they didn't destroy the temple. Up to date, in the 30-year conflict, 3,800 temples have been destroyed. But this temple they haven't. So, God knows when that will happen, the way things are going. Okay. So one Sannidhi will be for Manonmani. And who is Manonmani Shakti? Anybody? We have a very close connection with Manonmani. Manonmani is an emanation of Akhilandeshwari. And you and I know that Akhilandeshwari is Sri Amma. Nobody knows. When you look at Akhilandeshwari, immediately the people who know about it will know that this is Manonmani Shakti. So Padukas will be there for Nitya Puja. This is one Sannidhi. Then there are Utsava Murtis are of two kinds. What is an Utsava Murti? Processional deity. If you have a processional deity inside the temple, it can be of two kinds. One is called Alankara Murti. Means precisely that. It can be used only as a decorative piece, because the energy will not persist in it when you worship her. The other one is an actual Utsava Murti, which is made with Panchalokam, 5 metals. And the 5 metals are what? Gold, silver, copper, tin or zinc, and iron. Gold pertains to Guru, Brihaspati, Jupiter, in astrological terms. Silver corresponds to Venus, Shukran. Copper corresponds to Angarakan, Mars, Shavvai. Steel, iron corresponds to Saturn, Saneswaran. And zinc or tin corresponds to Mercury, Buddhan. Now the proportions that are used to mix the metal will determine how the energy is going to be absorbed when pujas are performed. And in those days it was easy, because the kings were the ones who built it. So the king is considered to be the Yajamanan. Let's say, for instance, Tanjavur Periya Koil, the big temple, Brihadishwara temple in Tanjore. Rajaraja Cholan was the one who was responsible for the building it. So the sculptor, the Stapati, would have used Rajaraja Cholan's horoscope. Horoscope is taken, and if you know anything about it, every portion, every planet in the horoscope has one of 5 positions in the 12 houses of the zodiac. It's called the Rasi Mandalam. It's either ruling, Archi, or exalted, Ucham, or debilitated, Nicham, or in a friend's house, Natpu, or in an enemy's house, Pahai. Archi, Ucham, Natpu, Nicham, Pahai. So how do you determine the proportion that you need to use? Say for instance gold. How many grams or how many coins? In the old days, it was measured in what is called manjadi. The older people will know what manjadi means. Do you know what manjadi is? Very much like kundavani. It's a seed that is red in color. And the gold was weighed using those seeds. So they would say, 2 pound 3 manjadi. 2 coins and the weight of 3 of these seeds. It has become much more precise now. So depending on what the Sitpa Shastram says, this person's horoscope tells you, for Guru, that much gold will be added. Similarly for all the other 5 planets. Then the mixture is used to sculpt a murti. If this is made, if the murti is made in these proportions, the Yajamanan, not a priest, the Yajamanan can give that murti life. It is called Jiva Pradishta. So you understand by this that in those days the kings knew the Shastras and the mantras and the prayogas, the application of the mantras. And once the Yajamanan has given life to the murti, anybody can maintain it. Anyone. So the first opening of the murti's eyes, that's called Netron Melinam. They will use a gold needle and some other herbs, and on an appointed day, the Yajamanan will open the eyes of the murti and perform Prana Pradishta, Jiva Pradishta is done. These days, how do you determine who the Yajamanan is? Fortunately, in this temple, when I started it, nobody knew anything about this, so I used my horoscope to install all the deities that you see there, are sculpted, are ordered and made according to my horoscope. And I was able to give life to them. After that, you are able to maintain. And this can continue forever. There is no time limit to maintaining the thing. Anybody can perform the mantras and the life will stay. Now, Manonmani is going to be made. The original material that you are supposed to use must come from the bowels of the earth. What comes from the bowels of the earth? All these metals, they come from the bowels of the earth, and the other material that comes from the bowels of the earth is granite. When the molten magma cools down, it becomes granite. And then, depending on the proportion of silicon dioxide in it and the amount of ferrous oxide in it, it will determine whether it is a male stone or a female stone. So you have to choose a female stone to sculpt Manonmani Shakti. Why am I saying all this to you? Just so you can appreciate what a lot of work goes into just building a temple. You can't just get somebody to come and say, okay, build this. That's not, unfortunately, that is the way it is being done now. shouldn't be. At least when we have an opportunity to build a temple for the first time, we should use what is there. And we should be able to employ the materials and employ the knowledge we have to build the temple. So hopefully she will have a 9-foot cube in the chamber. Done? If you can please follow me.
Yeah.
Sponsors and Ganapati Thalam people inside.
Announce. No mics?
Here, I have. You can use this here.
Because of the Alankaram today, it's a special Alankaram. We are requesting that only the sponsors and the people who are going to be performing Ganapati Thalam or participating in the puja inside, only they sit inside the main sanctum. Everybody else can sit in this middle portion here or here and watch it on the TV screens. Huh?
You can watch it.
Yeah.
It's not that you will not be allowed inside the temple. It will be too crowded. So after the puja is over and after you have had your meal, please listen to me again. After you have eaten, Devi is not going to get up and run anywhere. That you have to see her before you eat. After the puja is over, go get your Mahaprasadam, eat, relax, then take your time. One by one you can go and see the Alankaram inside. Today, because of the nature of the Alankaram, you will not be able to go around her. Okay? You will understand when you see it. Okay? Thank you.
So the sponsors, please get up. Today's sponsors. The rest of you can stay in that ante room where the saris and displays are there. You can sit there and watch. There is a TV out there. And plus, of course, you will see some portion of the mother's display. Okay? Or you can sit here and watch too. And definitely after you have your lunch, you can go inside and then see her to your heart's content. But today's Alankaram is a little restricted and very, very special. Thank you so much. Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha.
Om Ganana Antva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Vamasavastamam Jayeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspada Anasrinvan Udibissida Sadhanam Om Sri Maha Ganadipataye Namaha Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Shankaraya. Can you please come?
Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivardham Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Yasyad Viradavaktradyah Parishadhyah Parishatam Vignam Nigdhanti Sadatam Vishwakshenam Samashraye Vignadvanta Nivarana Ekataranihi Vignatavihavyavate Vignavyalakulapramattagarudo Vignhema Panchananahab Vignot Tungagiri Pravedanakari Vignabdi Kumbhodbhavah Vignaughav Kakana Prajanda Pavano Vigneshwarah Patunah.
Look. Hello.
सहस्रारे पद्मे दहरसि पत्या विहरसे महेशमाधविधात्मन्मदस्कन्दनन्दि इन्द्रमनुचन्द्रकुबेर अगस्त्य शोधभट्टारक विद्यात्मिके कल्याणतत्त्रैरूपे शिवशिवात्मिके परिपूर्णब्रह्मशक्ते श्रीमद्दलिता महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी तव श्रीपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः निर्माल्य देवताभ्यो नमः।
Kradetita kadeti kirtada kirtindir kirtata kranda kattita gentita gegenara kata kata kirtindir kirtata anata kirtindir kirtata anata tita tita kratato nakatita gentita kratato nakatita gentita kratato nakatita gentita
tat din tatin taka din tatin tat din tatin taka din tatin tat din tatin taka din tatin tat din tatin tat din kena tonta tat din tatin taka din tatin tat din tatin tat din kena tonta tam ta din kena tom tam ta din kena tom ta din kena tom tak dimi takita 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 tak dimi takita tak dimi takita tak takita tam kera kera dom kera kera dari kera dom kera kera dom kera kera dari kera dom dom kera kera dom dom kera kera dari kera dom dom kera kera dom dom kera kera dari kera dam tak dari kera dam tak dari kera dam tak dari kera dam tak dari kera dari kera dom kera dari kera dom kera dari kera dari kera dom kera dari dom kera dari kera dari kera dam tak dari kera dakum dam tak dari kera dam tak dari kera lang din dak lang dom dam tak dari kera dakum dam tak dari kera dam tak dari kera lang din dak lang dom dam tak dari kera dakum dam tak dari kera dam tak dari kera lang dom dam tak dari kera lang dom dam tak dari kera lang din dak dom lang din dak lang din dak takum kera dari kera dom takum kera dari kera dom dari dom dari dom dari dom ta ni ke ta dom ta ti ke ta dom ta ti ke ta do ta ti ke ta dom ta ti ke ta dom ta ti ke ta ta ti ke ta ta ti ke ta 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 di ke ta ta di ke ta ta di ke ta 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 di ke ta ta di ke ta ta di ke takum kira tak dari kita kita dom takum kira tak dari kita kita dom takum dom takum kira tak dari kita kita dom takum dom takum dom a di ke ta dom ta ti 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 ke ta ta ti ke ta ta ti ke ta ta di ke ta ta di ke ta ta di ke ta 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 di ke ta ta di ke ta ta di ke ta ta kum ke ta dan ta dom ta kum ke ta dan ke ta dom ta dan dom ta kum ke ta ta dom ta dom ta dom ta di ke ta dom ta di ke ta dom ta ti 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 da dom da ti da dom da ti da tang da kir da dai dom da kir da dai dom da kir da dai tang da ta kir da dai dom da ta kir da dai dom da ta kir da dom da tang da dai da dom da da dai kir da dai dom ta kir da dom kir da dai dom kir da dai dom kir da dai dom kir da dai tam 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 tam
भूस्वरत्सुतर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् परोरदसे सावतो मा ज्योतिरसामृतं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों सत्यं द्वत्तेन परिषिञ्चामि देवसवितप्रसवमृतमस्तु अमृतोपस्तरणमसि ॐ प्राणाय स्वाहा ॐ पानाय स्वाहा ॐ ज्ञानाय स्वाहा ॐ दानाय स्वाहा ॐ समानाय स्वाहा ॐ ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा मध्ये मध्ये अमृतपानीयं समर्पयामि अमृतापितानं उत्तरापोषणं समर्पयामि सत्यं सत्येन परिषञ्चयामि हस्तौ प्रक्षाल्यामि पादौ प्रक्षाल्यामि कण्डूचमाचमञ्जिं समर्पयामि नमः नन्दिकेश्वराभ्यो नमः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे चक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो नन्दिः प्रचोदयात् नन्दिकेश्वराभ्यो नमः स एदश्रीं सहकहलहरीं सकलश्रीं रक्तज्वालगिताधरं धूमलं रक्तां गजेजोमयं दृष्ट्वा शूलपाशकपालडमरुकं लोकस्य रक्ताचरं निर्वाणं सुरवाहनं सुनयनमानन्दकोलाहलं वन्दे सर्वभूतप्रेतपिशाचनाथवचकं चैत्रिक्यपालं शिवं शिवनं ध्वजाय विद्महे त्रिशूलहस्ताय तन्नो भैरवः प्रचोदयात्
ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम् ओम श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं नमो भगवती महालक्ष्मी वरवरदे श्रीं विभुते स्वाहा श्री श्रीपत्यादि सिद्धलक्ष्मी समेत श्री वल्लभ श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः हस्रहीं हस्कररीं सरसौः ध्वजमूले पूर्वदिग्बाहे ध्वजगणपतिम् आवाहयामि आवाहयामि स्त्यायामि सम्पूजयामि नमः पाशम् अंकुशम् एकदन्तम् अमृतकलशम् मोदकम् मूषकसहितं महागणपतिमावाहयामि स्त्यायामि सम्पूजयामि नमः ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा इदमिदमासनं सुखासनं समर्पयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा पादयोः पाद्यं समर्पयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा हस्तयोरर्घ्यं समर्पयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा कलशोदकेन मुखे आचमनीयं समर्पयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा स्नानं समर्पयामि नमो व्रातपदये नमो गणपतये नमो प्रमदपदये नमस्तेस्तडम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा पुनराचमनीयं समर्पयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा वस्त्रयुग्मं समर्पयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा यज्ञोपवीतं तारयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा दिव्य परिमलगन्धान् तारयामि ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानय स्वाहा पुष्पैः पूजयामि ओम सुमुखाय नमो मे एकदन्ताय नमो कपिलाय नमो गजकर्णकाय नमो लंबोदराय नमो विकटाय नमो विघ्नराजाय नमो विनायकाय नमो धूमकेतवे नमो गणाध्यक्षाय नमो बालचंद्राय नमो गजाननाय नमो वक्रतुंडाय नमो शूर्पकर्णाय नमो मेरंबाय नमो स्कंदपूर्वजाय नमो सिद्धिविनायक स्वामिने नमो नानाविध परिमल मंत्र पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि महागणपतये नमः धूपम् गणपति ताड़म
विकटोत्कट सुंदर गणपतितं तत्तगाना गणपतितं तत्तगाना गणपतितं धवलित जलधर धवलित चन्द्रं कलिमणिकिरण विभूषित खड्गं तनुजन विचार शूलकपाणं हर हर शिव शिव गणपति भवयम् गण गण विकलित मद जग जलधित गणपति वाद्यमिदं तत् गणपति वाद्यमिदं तत् गणपति वाद्यमिदं तत्पदिन्नं तरिकु तरि जनकु गुगुतदि गुगुतगिड डिं डिं गुडिगुड गुगुदत्ति तत्पदं जं तरिद तजं जं तरिद दगदजं जं तरिद तजं जं तरिद तरिद दद तनुजुनु तजुनु दिविद किरुकुं तकिड किरुकुं तकिड किरुकुं ता तगदकिड 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 दत्तों तदिकलिद चदिकलिद मौलिनं शूलिनं तगदकिड 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 दत्तों इमल शुभ कमल जर पादुकं पाणिनं दित्तकिड 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 दत्तों रमसगण गुण कथित शोभनं शोभितं दित्तकिड 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 दत्तों कुशल बुलधर सिर विशालनं भोजनं तगदकिड 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 दत्तों हरस बल कदली बल मोदनं मोदकं दित्तकिड 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 दत्तों नमः गुरु चिरंतनय गणपति दाननं गणपति दाननं गणपति दाननं ओम गम गम गणपति 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 ओम गबबरी 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 गबबरी
अश्वपूर्वां रथमध्यां हस्तिनादप्रबोधिनीं श्रियं देवीम् उबह्वये श्रीर्मादेवीर्जुषदां पादयोः पाद्यं समर्पयामि। ओम ध्वजमध्यप्रदेशे वल्ली देवसेना समेत मयूरवाहन कुक्कुड़ध्वज क्रौञ्जधारण शक्तिहस्तकुलिशायुध सहित सुब्रह्मण्य स्वामिने नमः। सरवणभवमाद्यं शंकरो मादनिजं सरविनिहृतसूरं शक्तिनिस्त्रं सहस्तं शरणम् उपगतानां सर्वदाधारमारात् शशिनिभमुखषट्कं षण्मुखं तं नमामि। ओम श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं सौं सरवणभवाय नमः। ओम व्रीं महावल्याय नमः। ओम ह्रीं देवसेनाय नमः। ओम ह्रीं मयूरवाहनाय नमः। ओम इं इंदाय नमः। ओम ह्रीं नमः शिवायश्च नमः शिवाय कुलिसायुधाय नमः। ओम 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 कुक्कुटध्वजाय नमः। ओम ह्रीं शक्तिहस्ताय नमः। श्री वल्ली देवसेना समेत मयूरवाहन कुक्कुटध्वज क्रौंच धारण शक्तिहस्त कुलिसायुध सहित सुब्रह्मण्य स्वामिने नमः। हस्रैं हस्कलरीं हस्रसौः रदिपति निपगात्रं रक्तराजीवनेत्रं रक्षितभुवनरक्षं राक्षसानीकशिक्षं रविसदसमगान्तं रागिणां मत्तिकम्यं कमिदविपुत्तलोकं षण्मुखं तं नमामि। वनजभवमुखानां वाञ्छितार्थप्रदन्तं बलितबलितरोगनाशुसम्मार्जयन्तं वरदमहिलरक्षं वारणारोहदक्षं वटुकमभिमहान्तं षण्मुखं तं नमामि। ओम सुब्रह्मण्याय नमः। कुक्कुटध्वजाय नमः। शक्तिहस्ताय नमः। मयूरवाहनाय नमः। सर्पाय नमः। आवाहयामि स्त्याजामि संपूजयामि नमः। ध्वजे दक्षिणनेत्रे आसत्येन रजसा वर्तमानो निवेशन्नमृतं मत्यञ्च हिरण्येन सविता रतेना देवो जातिभुवना विपश्यन्। हां हीं हूं हैं हौं हमलवरयों सूर्यमण्डलाय नमः। ओम गृणिहित सूर्य आदित्यों प्रकाशशक्तिसहितमार्ताण्डभैरवाय नमः। दक्षिणनेत्रे सूर्यमावाहयामि। सूर्यमुद्रां प्रदर्श। वामनेत्रे आप्यायस्व समेतु ते विश्वतः सोमवृष्ट्यं भवावाजस्य संगदे। चन्द्रम् आवाहयामि। आवाहयामि स्त्याजामि संपूजयामि नमः। अर्धचन्द्रमुद्रां प्रदर्श। ईश्वरो गुरुणात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ध्वजाग्रे दक्षिणामूर्तिस्वरूपं बृहस्पतिम् आवाहयामि। देवानाञ्च ऋषीणाञ्च गुरुं काञ्चनसन्निभं बुद्धिभूतं त्रिलोकेशं तं नमामि बृहस्पतिम्। निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां गुरवे सर्वलोकानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। आवाहयामि स्त्याजामि संपूजयामि नमः। पूर्वदिग्बाहे ध्वजगणपतये नमः। उत्तरदिग्बाहे श्रीविद्यादेव्यै नमः। पश्चिमदिग्बाहे भुवनेश्वर्यै नमः। दक्षिण दिग्बाहे श्रीराजराजेश्वर्यै नमः। सरवणभवाय नमः। ओम नमो भगवते दक्षिणामूर्तये मह्यं मेघां प्रज्ञां प्रयच्छ स्वाहा। ओम नमो भगवते दक्षिणामूर्तये। रक्तज्वालजडाधरं सुविमलं रक्ताङ्गतेजोमयं धृत्वा शूलपाशकपालडमरुकं लोकस्य रक्षाकरं निर्वाणं सुरवाहनं त्रिनयनमानन्दकोलाहलं वन्दे सर्वभूतपिशाचनादपडुकं क्षेत्रस्य बालं शिवं सुवनत्वजाय विद्महे त्रिशूलहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो भैरवः प्रचोदयात्। कालभैरवाय नमः। कालकपालकल्पान्धक्रोधन उग्र उन्मत्तचण्डसंहार ज्ञानस्वर्णाकर्षण भैरवाय नमः। ओम ह्रीं वाराही समेदाय महा उन्मत्त भैरवाय ह्रीं ओम स्वाहा। श्रीं स्कलरीं सरसौ महापद्मवनान्दस्ते कारणानंद स्वर्ण विग्रहे सर्वभूत हिते मात एहि परमेश्वर। आवाहयामि स्त्याजामि संपूजयामि नमः। अमृत महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि नमः। कामाक्षे नमः कनकताडङ्गन्याय नमः माङ्गल्यबीजमहिमाय नमः मेरुनिलयाय नमः मरहदावरणाय नमः महापदकाय नमः कनकचिन्ताकाय नमः उद्यानपीडनिलयाय नमः पद्मासनस्थाय नमः पंचपुष्पबाणाय नमः सुखहस्ताय नमः अंकुशहस्ताय नमः नवरत्नमौल्याय नमः चंद्रशेखर्याय नमः पासहस्ताय नमः इक्षुदण्डधनुहस्ताय नमः कामकोटिनिलयाय नमः महाकारुण्यविग्रहाय नमः दुर्वासऋषिपूजिताय नमः महाकारुण्यविग्रहाय नमः कामेश्वर्यै नमः कामाक्ष्यै नमः महापद्मवनान्दस्ते कारणानन्दबलिमण्डपे सर्वभूतहिते मादये येहि परमेश्वरि कुरुकुल्लादेवी मावाहयामि ध्यायामि सम्पूजयामि नमः कुरुकुल्लायाः कुरुकुल्ले ह्रीः आलीडमुद्रां प्रदर्श्य हंसशिवसोऽहं हंसः हसकफ्रें हसक्षमरवरयूं हसौं सह क्षमरवरयीं सहौः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतवे स्वगुरवे अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी अम्बा समेत श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ श्री गुरु श्री पादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कुरुकुल्लायाः कुरुकुल्ले ह्रीः मम सर्वजनं वशमाने ह्रीं स्वाहा। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कुरुकुल्लायाः कुरुकुल्ले ह्रीः मम सर्वजनं वशमाने ह्रीं स्वाहा। कुरुकुल्लाय स्वाहा कुरुकुल्लाय इषदे बलिर्नमः। आलीडमुद्रां प्रदर्श्य सौभाग्यदण्डिनि मुद्रां प्रदर्श्य सर्वदेवेभ्यो सर्वगणेभ्यो सर्वयोगिनीभ्यो सर्वविघ्नकृतेभ्यो सर्वभूतेभ्यो हुं फट् स्वाहा। बाणमुद्राम् अवकुण्डनमुद्रां कामधेनुमुद्रां सर्वयोनिमुद्रां नमस्कारमुद्रां प्रदर्श्य ओम भूर्भुवस्सवः भो इन्द्रादिशं रक्षा बलिं पुङ्क्ष्वा सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्यभ्युदयं कुर्वायुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भवनेन बलिदानेन इन्द्रप्रियदामिन्द्राय स्वाहा। इंद्राय इषदे बलिर्नमः। भो अग्निः दिशं रक्षा बलिं पुङ्क्ष्वा सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्याभ्युदयं कुर्वायुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भव अनेन बलिदानेन अग्निप्रियदाम् अग्नये स्वाहा। अग्नये इषदे बलिर्नमः। भो यमः दिशं रक्षा बलिं पुङ्क्ष्वा सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्ब आयुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शांतिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भवनेन बलिदानेन यमप्रियदां यमाय स्वाहा। यमाय इषदे बलिर्नमः। भो नृहृदि संरक्षा बलिं पुङ्क्ष्वा सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्याभ्युदयं कुर्वायुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता अनेन बलिदानेन नृहृदि प्रियदां नृहृदये स्वाहा। भो वरुणादिसंरक्ष बलिं पुंक्ष्व सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्य हृदयं कुरु आयुकर्ता क्षयमार्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भव अनेन बलिदानेन वरुणप्रियदां वरुणाय स्वाहा वरुणाय क्षते बलिर्नमः भो वायुः दिशं रक्ष बलिं पुंक्ष्व सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्य अभ्युदयं कुरु आयुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भवानेन बलिदानेन वायव प्रियदां वायवे स्वाहा वायवे शते बलिर्नमः भो सोमा दिशं रक्ष बलिं पुंक्ष्व सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्य अभ्युदयं कुरु आयुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भव अनेन बलिदानेन सोमप्रियदां सोमाय स्वाहा सोमाय ईशते बलिर्नमः भो ईशान्यादिशं रक्ष बलिं पुंक्ष्व सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्य अभ्युदयं कुरु आयुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भव अनेन बलिदानेन ईशान्यप्रियदाम् ईशान्याय स्वाहा ईशान्याय ईशते बलिर्नमः भो ब्रह्म दिशं रक्ष बलिं पुंक्ष्व सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्य अभ्युदयं कुरु क्षेमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भव अनेन बलिदानेन ब्रह्मप्रियदां ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा ब्रह्मणे ईशते बलिर्नमः भो अनन्त दिशं रक्ष बलिं पुंक्ष्व सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्य अभ्युदयं कुरु शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भव अनेन बलिदानेन अनन्तप्रियदाम् अनन्ताय स्वाहा ईशते बलिर्नमः भो भैरव देवालयं रक्ष बलिं पुंक्ष्व सर्वे भक्तजनानां सकुटुम्बस्य अभ्युदयं कुरु आयुकर्ता क्षयमकर्ता शान्तिकर्ता पुष्टिकर्ता तुष्टिकर्ता निर्विघ्नकर्ता कल्याणकर्ता वरदो भव अनेन बलिदानेन भैरवप्रियदां भैरवाय स्वाहा पंचपात्रम् सकल देवताभ्यो नमः श्रीं ह्रीं क्लूं श्लूं म्लूं ब्लूं लीं ह्रीं श्रीं नवाक्षरी रत्नेश्वरी विद्यया इंद्राय नमः अग्नये नमः यमाय नमः नृते नमः वरुणाय नमः Pull. यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि तत्तानि तानि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणपदे पदे पापोऽहं पापकर्माहं पापात्मा पापसम्भव त्राहि मां कृपया देवि चरणागतवत्सरे अन्यदा चरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष महेश्वरि आवाहनं न जानामि विसर्जनं पूजाविधिं न जानामि क्षम्यतां परमेश्वरि मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं बुद्धिहीनं सुरेश्वरि यत्पूजितं मया देवी परिपूर्णं तदस्तु ते आत्मप्रदक्षिण नमस्कारान् समर्पयामि महादेव्यै नमः।
let us not have it. Otherwise, no, they'll dirty the whole place. Lavanditara. Yeah, you were showing that side. I thought. And go. You have to offer Bali Ayya. Vilasaya is. Vilasaya is good. Go with it. You want a mic?
It's okay, I have something. Okay, dear devotees, everybody going to get a chance to go, so there's no rush. But the access is a little restricted. You cannot go and touch her. As you know why. Okay, so we don't have to explain that. Exactly. So we are not going to allow you too closer. Just follow the line. When you are going on the line, please don't take selfie. It's going to delay the second person. So if you want, please go. It's going to be there for some time today. There's no rush. We are not going to take it out. So quickly move, get the darshan now. Go and have your prasadam. Then if you want, you can come back again. There's no rush. Okay, but follow in an orderly manner, one person at a time. Please go as quickly as possible and come out quickly as possible. So all the people behind you also will get the darshan. That's the only reason. Then after the prasadam, please come back. Okay? So let's, soon as these people are out, just follow the barriers, go around, quickly do no namaskaram also because that's going to take time. Come back, again do namaskaram, no problem. Or just do the namaskaram outside. So we can let all others quickly pass through. That's the whole idea here. Okay? Okay. Let's go. Come. Abdiye vango. goes beyond barrier, huh? Nobody goes. Anybody would like to get more darshan, you can come. Line is free now, please. Come, come.